Hi everyone, today we will do legal dictation exercise number 132. You can get the PDF from description box. So ready? Start. Export competitiveness, however, is only a function of the competitiveness of the entire economy. The poor state of our infrastructure is reducing our export competitiveness. The government has given the highest priority to the development of our infrastructure. Our various initiatives in this regard will start bearing fruit very soon. We have taken decisive action to speed up clearance for power projects and to expand and upgrade our airports and ports. The Task Force on Infrastructure has formulated an ambitious national highway development project which I inaugurated in Bangalore earlier this month. Speed of movement of goods within the country and their shipment outside the country is critical for the success of our export efforts. The task force will soon present to the government an integrated national transport policy whose aim will be to create fast communication links for the people and goods. Cheaper and reliable telecommunication links with the rest of the world are crucial for increasing the competitiveness of Indian exports. A new telecom policy is now on the anvil. One of its major objectives is to rapidly increase tele-density all over the country. It will ensure that the prices of domestic long-distance and international calls follow the global trend to sharp decline and become as cheap in India as in the rest of the developed world in the shortest possible time. The new telecom policy will also be a big boon to India's software exporters. You are already aware of the many steps taken by the government to make India a superpower in information technology. We have received an excellent response from the industry in this regard. A recent happy development has been the signing of the free trade agreement between India and Sri Lanka, which will bring closer economic integration in the South Asian region. I am confident that this agreement will lead to greater trade between our two countries which share so much in common. It will also lead to similar initiative with our other neighbors in South Asia so that this region can become a closely linked economic region with benefits following to all the countries. Friends, the global economic slowdown in the last 2 years coupled with the meltdown in financial markets in East Asia and elsewhere have hurt our exports. In such testing times, it is all the more necessary that you take this adverse development as a challenge for all here. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel Steno Star.